This Sichuan owner's LS460 engine, after just 150,000 kilometers, developed strange noises and burnt oil. Upon opening the engine, we found it was full of plastic debris. This car holds deep sentimental value for its owner. He specifically drove it to Sister Fang's shop, entrusting her to restore its engine, chassis and gearbox to optimal condition. First, we'll disassemble this engine that's burning oil and making strange noises.
Even the nails are worn out. No wonder it gave way.
It's all broken plastic. This V8 engine's oil burning and noise are common issues. Just replace the repair kit, the chain plate and tensioner, and it's fixed. First, ultrasonically clean it. It rides like new, then we'll start assembly. A V8 engine's parts probably cost more than an entire EV's parts. Enough said, let's see Fengji's assembly skills.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Replacing